I want to explain how to solve a problem when you are using H807 controller and you face a problem that when you plug your SD card, it says DAT File Error. The solution is quite simple. It's not about to upgrade your firmware. So I have an SD card which have that problem, and I'm going to plug it in, and you can see that the strip is not working. I connected my lead strip here, and this is the SD card. Let me plug in the SD card and switch on the controller. After switching on the controller, I can see it's saying data file error. To solve this problem is quite simple. So it means that the file in the SD card is corrupted. So you need to format the file in the SD card. Let me remove this SD card and put a new program, and you're going to see that it's going to work. After plugging the SD card, it's still saying data error. So you need to turn off the controller and turn it on again. You can see I can read my file. Let me switch on the power supply, and you can see the strip working. Oh, you can see the strip is working, and I'm playing the file 13. Let me show you some of the settings you need to do on your controller to make sure that your controller works smooth. I'm only playing one effect because on the controller is preset that you can only play single effect. So you need to change that. To change that is quite simple. Come on the menu button. So you can see it's saying single play mode. So I can only play one effect. So you need to change to all. You click here to all. After that, you click OK. If I go back, you can see the file is going to change. So you can see now I'm at file 16, file 17, because I changed that setting. So make sure that settings is set on play all if you want to play all the effects on the SD card. And the other important settings which you also need to do is to make sure that the IC chip is selected. Here, that's where you can get the IC chip first. You go here and you go on other settings, then you press OK. Then you go on menu, then here, that's where it's written IC type. So you make sure you are using the right IC chip. Let me show you one of the trick which you can feel like this controller is not working. So make sure you don't leave your controller on do not choose IC chip. If you leave it on do not choose IC chip, you can see this chip is not working because I put it on do not choose the IC chip. So you need to select the IC chip. Let me select the IC chip here for you to see. So this is the IC chip. But after selecting the IC chip, you need to switch off your controller and switch it on so it can start reading the IC chip which you selected. Now you can see that my strip is moving smooth. So make sure you change those two settings which are really important when you are using this controller offline with SD card.